Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change a tire on a GMC Canyon. First, ensure your safety by pulling over to a safe, level area away from traffic. Engage your parking brake and turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Next, gather your tools: the spare tire, the jack, and the lug wrench, usually found under the rear of your truck or beneath the back seat. Before lifting, use the lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise about 1/2 to 1 full turn, but do not remove them yet. Now, place the jack securely under the truck's frame, near the flat tire. Carefully raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely off the ground and can spin freely. With the truck lifted, fully remove the loosened lug nuts and carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. Set it aside. Now, align your spare tire with the wheel studs and slide it onto the hub. Once the spare is in place, hand tighten the lug nuts back onto the studs as much as you can. Gently lower your GMC Canyon until the spare tire is fully on the ground, then remove the jack. Use your lug wrench to tighten the lug nuts completely in a star pattern for even pressure. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Finally, double-check the spare's tire pressure and get your flat tire repaired or replaced as soon as possible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.